Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, October 20th, 2022. I'm sorry about the last two with the dates. Like I said, I've been a little bit in a fog because of the medication I was taking, but anyway, I'm back. So in the report today, really what the whole we were in this range right here from the 3666 and up to the actually I had it at this high 3764. So whoever was going to win that battle was going to win the next say move on it. We did break a little bit below these, but if you notice, I put this in here. We have, it looks like a bull flag. I mean, if we're going to take it and look now, I'm going to take this and duplicate it and then go here, and that's what I'm saying. We're within a bull flag within a large bear flag. But what the bear flag means is that once this is done, the next target is going to be up here if this is the play. Now we could just continue to chop up there and go higher into say 2023, like what he was suggesting. But we're going to have ranges with these, and that's really what we're looking at right now. And from a sentiment level, from a technical level, we believe that there is some type of bottom being formed, whether it's here or we got to test it again. But the way that the Bulls are doing this, it's to me, it's more productive than what they did back in the when the Fed was, helping out the markets, where they just went straight up. So this is they're taking steps, backfilling, going maker higher highs coming up, and then now the next move needs to get above the 3766. If it does, the reaction target is going to be up to the 3803, and then from there, if it can break through it, we have some resistance right at the right around that 3080 38,835 level. So these are really it. If the Bulls can break through this, you can see that we have this support that's right around that 30 36 36, and then it goes down to the 3612, which is closing this gap. So this is the support zone where if you're looking to get in, what I'd said was don't chase this rally because we had bearish divergences in place. But this would be the buy area, and then I think you would just put a stop below the lows. But I think this holds right here, and from there the next stop is going to be up at the 3800. Probably have a little bit of a pullback to test the 3730, and then up again, and eventually making it up to the 3900. This is actually where I believe we're going. And I'm not even ruling out that we're going to have that we could come up and close the gap at 4104. I think there's just too many people that are bearish this market right now. And yes, we have there's no fundamental reasons to be bullish. That's probably the best way to put this, because like I said, the economy's going in the wrong direction, even though the administration says it's not. That they've just been gaslighting everybody for the last 2 years. But anyway, everybody knows it. When you go to the gas pump, it's more expensive. The wages are not rising, so we have a negative kind of cash flow type situation going when it comes to people. And with all the geopolitical stuff, it's dangerous. But we're gonna get that's typically when we get these big rallies is when danger is at the highest. So I think we made the low right here. This was your panic low. We bounced up, and really we're just we're moving up, consolidating, and now the next move is going to would be up into the 3804, possibly 3835. That's if this pattern holds. Now, if we break down, and basically this is really my line in the sand of 3577, where I think if that gets broken, then there's a real good chance that we're going to come down and test these lows, or possibly even break them a little bit. But that's pretty dangerous for the bulls if they're going to come down and test this before moving higher. So, and I don't really think they're in that much control, meaning like they can just move the tape whatever way they want because they had the Fed at their back. So we're not there. We don't have that anymore. So I think that the market's going to start acting more like a market, and do these moves where we move up, come back, move up, come back. So the bulls right now, they need to get it back above the 76 level. If they do, then I'm anticipating a test of the the 37.30, 37.45 level. If they don't hold this level, like let's say they don't get above this and they come down, the support areas are going to look 36.37 down to the 36 600 level. This is your support. This is your really the little panic cycle right here. We could be testing this, but I wouldn't really be too comfortable. I'd like to see the gap hold or this, but there's a chance that you come down to the 35.78. But really, the point is this: that we're making a bottom right here. Like we've been bearish pretty much throughout 2022, and what he's been saying that he's expecting, this decline to go into October, and that's exactly where it is. And as he said, I don't love stocks. He says I don't hate them, and I think I'm in the same exact spot as him. Just thinking about the market, where I don't love it, I don't hate it. I do believe that we have up before these lows are taken out, but these lows taken out may not happen until January 2023. We have to wait and see on that. So we're getting into the oversold levels. We take a look at the 15-minute chart. Here you can see that from the move here, we don't have any bullish or bearish divergences, even when we were a lot higher. You can see right here, if this was the top on it, and then we came down, and this was the low. So we have to wait for some kind of divergence for a little bit more information before really picking a direction. And you can see it's heading up right here, the price oscillator. So if we do come down and say that this 36, 36 level holds, we're going to have bullish divergences, support will hold, and that will open the door for the next move higher. Now, if it doesn't go that way, like I said, below this 35.77, I'm in a little bit of panic mood and saying that, I think we're coming down to test the lows. But right now, until this pattern fails, I like buying dips and just keeping an eye on things. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.